Pinukpok po ng China Coast Guard itong kawani ng Philippine Navy. Pero ang interesting dito, merong binabanggit na provisional agreement ito pong Chinese ambassador. At mukhang tayo raw po yung nag-violate dito. Can you talk about that?
Mag-umpisa tayo, Christian, sa July 12, 2016, the Arbitral Award was issued. No? Sabi sa Arbitral Award, yan Ayungin Shoal is submerged at high tide, so it's part of our exclusive economic zone. Sa atin yun, part of our exclusive economic zone. Ngayon, sa exclusive economic zone, there is freedom of navigation and overflight for all countries. Lahat na bansa sa mundo natin can send their vessels there without notifying or getting permission from anyone. Kasi freedom freedom of navigation. So, yung Japan, yung US, Australia, Vietnam, even India, kahit saan, they can sail there without getting permission from anyone. That was 2016. So, sabi ng mga allies natin, that arbitral award is final, binding, and valid between the Philippines and China. Final. So pag final, hindi na pwede questionin ng sino man, lalo na tayo o China. It's binding on us already na exclusive economic zone natin yung Ayungin Shoal, part of our exclusive economic zone. Kahit sino pwede pumunta doon because there's freedom of navigation. Lalo na tayo because exclusive economic zone natin yan, we have the exclusive right to get the gas, oil, fish, and all other mineral resources there. And we have the exclusive right to erect artificial structures there. Kahit ano, pwede natin itayo for the purpose of economic exploitation, no? Of the natural resources. So, pwede tayo magtayo ng Marine Research Center, tapos katabi niyan will be the Coast Guard civilian yan para to protect the fish there kasi exclusively sa atin yung mga isda sa EEZ natin, madaming mga poaching dyan, no? So, we can put up a substation there para malapit. We can immediately go to any area there na there is illegal fishing by other countries kasi exclusive right tayo to fish there. So, kaya meron tayong exclusive right to put up any structure there for purposes of preserving our rights. No? So, ngayon, 8 years later, pumasok tayo dito sa provisional arrangement or provisional agreement na before we can resupply Sierra Madre sa Ayungin Shoal, we have to first notify China, hold consultations with China, and sabi ng Chinese embassy, on-site inspection by China. Sovereign right tayo . Sovereign means superior, exclusive to that of any other country. Kasi EEZ natin, exclusive . Exclusive economic zone natin yan . We have superior right to go there. Pero pinako natin sarili natin na hindi tayo pwede pumunta doon without notifying China, without holding first consultation with China. At saka China will have to have on-site inspection of our vessel. Bakit natin ginawa yan? May tinawag ito provisional agreement. Final na yung yung alam mo sa law of the sea, yung provisional agreement, provisional yan. Pag hindi pa kayo natapos sa boundary delimitation, pinag-uusapan pa, pwede kayo magkaroon ng provincial agreement na median line ang gagamitin. O kaya habang may arbitration proceeding pa, pwede kayo magkaroon ng provisional agreement. Pero pag final na, meron ng boundary agreement, may final decision ng ang tribunal, hindi na pwede pumasok pa sa provisional arrangement. Binabalik mo . Kaya nga tawag final. Bakit ka magkaroon ng provisional ngayon? So, ang nangyari, binuksan natin, may final agreement, may final decision na tayo, arbitral award. Pero binuksan natin ulit na
Mm.
pag-usapan ulit yung final na. Bakit natin gagawin? Parang hinampas natin sarili natin sa malaking pader. So
Mm.
sabi ko nga, that is not the DFA has no authority to do that kasi gini-give up natin ang ating sovereign right. Sovereign nga it belongs to the people Hindi pwede. So, ngayon, hindi sila nakinig. Ngayon, anong ginagawa ng China? Sinasabi ng China, oy, nag-agree kayo, hindi kayo pwede, you cannot put up a structure here. So, huwag kayo magdala ng mga construction material dito.
Mm.
Can you just imagine that in our own exclusive economic zone, we cannot go there anytime. We have to notify China, sit down with China, explain why we are going there, at saka papakita natin yung ating vessel. But all other countries in the world can just go there.
Yeah. Mm.
Binaliktad
Pero parang,
natin
So parang
So
tayo pa po
talagang,
yung parang tayo
alam
pa
mo,
yung nagbasura
that's
dito
why
sa ating panalo.
my point is we have to terminate this because China will later on say, oh, in-acknowledge na ninyo, in-admit na ninyo may superior right kami. Hindi na tayo sovereign. We have sovereign right there under the arbitral award. Pag pumayag tayo, ganyanin tayo ng China. At saka, ang masama pa dito, sinabi ng DFA, they are thinking of expanding this to the entire West Philippine Sea. Can you just imagine? Hindi na tayo maka-resupply we cannot go to Pag-asa hanggang we must first notify China and then we meet China, papakita natin sa China kung anong dadalay natin doon sa Pag-asa. Kalokohan. It's dumber than dumb ito. At saka tinatawag nila provisional agreement. Meron ng final. That's oxymoron Sasabihin mo may final na. You tell the world may final agreement na, may final award na. Tapos gagawa ka pa ng provisional agreement. That's an oxymoron. It's contradictory. That is where we are going into. So we have to back out. We have to terminate this provisional agreement because that is going back. That is weakening our arbitral award. We are open to sasabihin ng China, oh, you already admit, patay tayo dyan. That's the doctrine of acquiescence in international law. You admit na mas superior ang China sa iyong ensure. Kasi hindi tayo pwede, we cannot go there without prior notice, prior consultation at on-site inspection. Talagang ang sama talaga.
May kopya na po ba nitong provisional agreement na naisa publiko para mabusisi as far as you know?
Yes, wala. I've been asking for it. Ang China ngayon, I've been asking for it. Sabi nila, hindi, confidential yan. Because that is an agreement with China, confidential. Pero China, linabas na nila Sinabi ng China, there are 3 important points in the agreement. You have to give us prior notice before you resupply. Before you go there, you have to notify us. Second, we have to sit down first before you resupply. Third, you have to show us your vessel. Ano bang dala ninyo dyan? Bawal yung construction material.
Parang,
that is... Ngayon, tapos sasabihin ng DFA, we cannot tell you, we cannot release. Sinabi na, binulgar na ng China yung content There is no more confidentiality. Dapat ilabas na.
Okay, sabi niyo pwede
ba? Ilabas nila yan, at saka ganyan talagang nakasulat doon, we will go to the Supreme Court to have it invalidated. It's null and void because it violates the Constitution, it violates the arbitral award.
Pero yun nga po, napakasimple naman pwedeng gawin dyan, diba? Pwede pong bawiin. So, DFA on its own pwedeng gawin po, no? Or the President can come up with a pronouncement.
Alam mo, they have to do it as soon as possible dahil there is that doctrine of acquiescence. Pinayagan mo So how you cannot get that back anymore? So they have to do it. I really cannot fathom why they're doing this.
So ibig sabihin, tuwing pupunta tayo sa BRP Sierra Madre, dyan sa Yungin Shoal, para mag-resupply, kailangan magpaalam tayo sa China. Nasa sarili natin exclusive economic zone yon.
Yes, prior notice, prior consultation, at saka papakita natin yung ating barko. Ano bang laman yan? Bawal ang
Oo.
construction materials.
Parang
We have
tayo
under the UNCLOS, under the Arbitral Award, because that's our exclusive economic zone, we have the exclusive right to erect any structure there for the purpose of exploiting the natural resources.
So, sabi niyo mga 2 years ago na po ito, no? But hindi ba,
Yeah,
isn't it too late?
2024 ito.
Okay,
Yeah, they
2 years
signed
na.
this in 2024. 2026 na tayo ngayon. They should get out of this agreement already. It's really, I think, I don't know why they did this.
Yun nga po pero ba I don't know why they did this. Pero yun nga, yung konteksto, hindi ko, inaalala ko yung konteksto ng 2024 and why someone in his right mind would enter into such an agreement. When in fact, we have the legal foundation or standing and the moral basis for it.
Well, that should be the subject of a Senate or House inquiry. Bakit tayo pumayag dyan? Because, I don't have firsthand, I don't have evidence of anything except that yung press release nila and press release ng China. So ilabas muna nila yung agreement na yan.
Would you know kung on board dito yung ibang ahensya po ng gobyerno? Kunwari, Department of National Defense.
Well, I can tell you that they're not happy. Tinatanong nila, bakit tayo why do we have to ask permission from China to go to Ayungin Shoal? That is the understanding on the ground. That is understanding on the ground na eto, nagpipermiso tayo.
Dun po sa mga viewers natin, context rin dito yung BRP Sierra Madre. So, yung beached warship natin dyan na technically, hindi pa yan out of commission. So, hindi siya pwedeng galawin ng kahit sinong bansa, in particular ng China. Pero syempre, talagang kalawangin na po yan, no?
Yeah, it doesn't sail anymore. Wala nang makina yan. But we keep it in the roster of active warships.
Yun nga po. Pero ano bang mukhang diskarte ng China dyan? Kasi hindi naman nila pwedeng basta-basta hatakin yan, di ba? Pero ibig sabihin, pwedeng iniintay nilang gumuho.
Yes, that's why they prohibit us from bringing materials to retrofit it. Kasi talagang kokolaps na yan eh.
At kung mag-collapse po yan, ano yung pwedeng gawin agad ng China?
Well, they will take over. Ayungin Shoal. Katulad ng Scarborough Shoal. Pag mawala tayo dyan, they take over. They will babakuran nila yan. Papaligiran nila ng maritime militia vessel nila yan. Mawawala sa atin yan.
And base sa mga consultation ninyo, how soon that can happen? Yung time frame ng China dito?
Well, ang tingin ko, yung pinasok nila ang Ayungin Shoal lately, pumasok sila sa Lagoon eh. Kaya nag-react yung ating Marines doon eh. That is already a probe. Tinitingnan na nila kung anong reaction natin. That's already probing.
Tinetest na nila.
They could take over anytime.
Hindi kawawang-kawawa tayo dahil panibagong bakuran natin sa West Philippine Sea, Exclusive Economic Zone, masasakop na naman ng China.
Yeah, ano lang, because on our own, we allow them to do it. I mean, legally, pumapayag tayo na i-handcuff tayo, na hindi tayo pwede mag-resupply hanggang uupo tayo. We notify them first, uupo tayo, and they will inspect on site. Yung inspection on site, that's why I want to see that agreement eh. Pag pumayag ba tayo dyan? That is really giving up our sovereign rights. And the Secretary of Foreign Affairs has no power to give that up. Sovereign na yan eh. Belongs to the sovereign people eh. Why do they give up our sovereign rights?
Pero diba, si President Marcos, the chief architect of our foreign policy, can easily come up with a statement and then tell the DFA, ayoko niyan, bawiin niyo yan.
Yeah, anytime he can do that.